Hey there guys, we are off to Edmonton because we need to buy some shingles because we're going to re-roof one of the houses. So we got like an hour and 15-minute drive to Edmonton and pick up a bunch of shingles at Home Depot. So let's go on this journey. There goes the train all along the highway here in Alberta. The highways here in rural Alberta, they are as straight as can be and flat. There's some beautiful houses here in the middle of nowhere also. Look at that one, a log house, huge log house on a farm. Big dog gonna attack us. Here comes the killer. Come on, killer. Come on, killer. Oh my God. Getting closer to Edmonton, we get a 4-lane highway again. The road is wide and it's fast, 110 kilometers. It's still straight and flat, but it's wider and faster. So after 1 hour drive, we have arrived in Edmonton at Home Depot, and it's busy here. It's busy. People are buying like crazy, but it's a whole shopping area. They got Michael's and Popeyes and Staples and Marks and you name it. So we are off to Home Depot and we're gonna look for some shingles to reshingle the roof on one of the houses, or maybe do both. We'll see what happens. So this Home Depot didn't have what we need, so we gotta go to another one near White Mud Drive. So off we go. The other Home Depot we went to, they did not have a large enough selection, so they told us to come to this one here in Edmonton on White Mud Drive. So that's where we are, and this is supposed to be the biggest one in the city of Edmonton. So we're gonna go look for our shingles and stuff for the roofing here. Hopefully this works out this time. Here we are. This store is massive, as you can see. It is giant. It's got everything you need. Huge. It looked like a few acres of property with really long rows. Hello. Anything you want is here. Look at all that lumber, drywall, you name it. They got it. Look at this huge piles of drywall. It's all here. Let's look for shingles. We found the shingles. Now we gotta get associate to help us, who knows a little more about it. There's a whole bunch of different colors. Pretty much everything else is the same except for the colors. But then we need 3-tab, we need a bunch of other stuff, so we'll get somebody who has expertise on it and give us a hand. Not too bad, right? And it's gonna look good when it's done. And we might need more stuff still, so let's keep on shopping and see what happens.
Yep. Look at my lilies. Easter lilies.
Some extra stuff here for the houses. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. We've got everything we needed. Now we need to get in line with all the other trucks that are getting loaded up, and then they will stick it in the back of the truck and we're off on our way back to biking. Okay, here we go, loading up the shingles for the roof. to get it perfectly balanced, you know. It's a pretty heavy load.
You want to go forward, but have it come this way.
After this, we gotta pick up a coffee and drive back home. Ah, that is a big load. Well, that's it, guys. We got a giant load. It's really heavy. We got 52 bundles of shingles and all the other stuff that goes with it. You can see the pickup is loaded, so we got to take care on the highway and drive safe, because this is a big load, and we got some more in here. So off we go. Pick up a coffee. I got my Pepsi Zeros in here, and off we go. Actually, I got real Pepsi with sugar for a change, and off we go back to the houses. We are having a quick stop here at Tim Hortons to pick up some donuts and coffee for our drive back. You ready, Maria, for the long drive back? All right, where are you, Maria? Pancho?
Wait,
DougP Vlogs.
Okay.
Now, yeah. So some hot chocolate for Maria. Where are you, Maria? I got Pepsis in the back and some donuts to snack on, and then we drive home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time. Bye. Well, we're still here. Now, need to unload all these shingles, and they are heavy. Very heavy, but I gotta get them in the garage for when the weather is ready to do the job. So it's a good workout. That's a lot of weight.
How much weight is it?
I have no idea. But they're heavy. Hey, good morning, back. Gotta pile them all up. This one I wish I had a forklift, but I don't, so gotta do it manually. Never ending job.
I think it's like 80 pounds or more.
Each one? It probably says on the bag.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I know I'm gonna sleep really good after loading this from a whole pallet of shingles. At least 80 or 100 pounds. I don't think it says on here. Probably says it somewhere, but you can't see it right now. But they're heavy. That's it. Bye bye.
Should look much